Today's recipe is best air fryer fish, my favorite. I need 12 ounces of orange raffy, salt and pepper, paprika, 3 tablespoons of panko, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 cup of capers. We're gonna start with salt and pepper in our fish. Add a little bit of olive oil in a pan and put the fish in it. Put a butter in a saucepan and we're gonna add the garlic. Now we are adding 1/3 cup of capers. Our sauce is ready and now we're just gonna pour over the fish. I'm gonna mix 1 teaspoon of Parmesan cheese with the panko and I'm gonna put on top of the fish. That, when it's done, is gonna be nice and crunchy. Now we're gonna add the Parmesan on top. Put on an air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and it's ready.